Good morning, class. So we are discussing the chapter growing crops. So before starts the chapter, little bit thing we'll discuss about the green revolution. What is green revolution? How it has happened and all. You see in your facts corner in the chapter 28 downwards it's written. What is that? In the beginning of the 1940s, scientists and governments started a movement called green revolution. What is that? Farmers in Mexico, India, Kenya and many other countries began to grow larger varieties of and quantities of crops as a result. And because of this green revolution, actually new methods of growing, harvesting and processing the crops has started. It brought modern machines and other technology to farming. So what is green revolution in short then? To get the new process or the modern process of harvesting, okay, growing crops and preserving the crops. These are the things to start. Actually, government has started this green revolution. Where it is, Mexico, Kenya and other places also mentioned. So you'll write a short note on green revolution. Okay, short note on green revolution. You'll first write short note on green revolution. Okay, green revolution starts with 1940s. Clear? It starts with 1940s. Okay. Now we'll go through the question answer related with growing crops. Okay. The first one, what is that? It is a mixture of sand, slate and clay that may also contain humus. Is known as which kind of soil? It is loam soil. 3 kinds of soil, 4 kinds of soils are there. So it is the loam soil. So these questions may come as a question answer form. Okay, what is a loam soil? Then you have to describe that it's a mixture of sand, slate and clay. It's a mixture of sand, slate and clay. This is known as loam soil. Clear? Second one, this is usually grown in plantation farming. Plantation, we know rubber plantation, because generally wheat and maize are not plantation, rubber. A kind of agriculture where farmers burn the vegetation on a piece of land to clear the area of farming. What is that? It's a kind of shifting plantation or cultivation. It's known as shifting cultivation. Now question may come that what is shifting cultivation? Then you have to write that one. Clear? China and India are some of the leading producers of this crop. What? Huge amount of this they are cultivating or farming, that is rice. Green, black and long varieties of water, these all are actually related with tea. So it's tea. From which part of the coffee plant is the beverage coffee made? Is actually from the seeds. Beverage are made from the seeds. Which of these is usually not cultivated as a cash crop? From where we are not getting the cash, is it actually wheat? Wheat is not known as cash crop. Sunflower, sesame and soybean are varieties of oil seeds. From there, oils are producing. Clear? So these are the questions related with growing crops are there that you have you will just go through, tick out in the book and learn it. This one no need to write in the copy. Just the one thing you will write in the copy, that is the green revolution, which starts from 1940s. And what is the need to do this revolution? Because from afterwards the farmers are actually introducing the modern technologies related with farming, harvesting and processing of the seeds. Clear? So these are the reason for what the green revolution has started. So just go through with this chapter. Chapter is not so difficult to understand, hopefully. But still, if you will get any problem, just text me on the Teno. Okay, we'll discuss over it. Until then, just read or learn this chapter, take out the answers properly and prepare this short note. Clear? Thank you, class.